friends, I got some Flipkart this boxes. I don't know what it is there in this. I was searching and given nothing in this. In this, I have given something. I have there are two boxes. One is big and small. Let us start unboxing this. What is this? Oh, there's some earbuds. You can see it here. Let's unbox this and see how it is. I'm glad they have here. It is OnePlus company and that are earbuds. So let's open this. They're inside. I can open this. Okay. Wow, something. Wow. What is this? What is this? Oh, it's a cover. Wow. See how it is. It is so nice. Wow. Ooh. See them, how they are. And we have to remove this. But one box is over. I'll tell you about this with my dad as well afterwards. So this is so nice, but it has a light and a charger. And let's see in this what is there. Oh, see. Oh, there's a charger in this separately. And stickers, I think. No? Is it a sticker? Oh, yeah. And some earbuds extra, I think. And some books about it. I'll take this penny and 6 hours for me. Okay. So nice. And see this charger. This is C-type charger, but it's a little bit short. Not that much. Some dabbas are there inside. So the it's so tight. I'll just there's something like this. Wow. Oh, there's some chocolates. Yum yum. Because this is from my father's office actually. And what are there in this? Whoa! This is a light. Wow! Let's see what's in this box. Then let's see what's in that box. Okay. So open this. How to open? Oh, this. And we should open this. This. Open this. Open this. And open this. Open this. Open this. Stop. What's there down? Oh, we have to still fix it. This is a rechargeable table light. How did it happen? Huh? Magnet? What? What? Hey! 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 How to run all this? They have not given any button. Huh? How did it get on? What? How can it come out? Oh, this is sensor. See, it has 3 modes. One, light, medium and high. So, and we can even off it. So it's a sensor, and let's fix this. There's something, I don't know what is this. And let's open this. I think so they have given like a stick. So I don't know what is this. And I'm going to open it and see. Oh, this looks like something. And what's this? And what's that? Oh, what is this then? It's something. I think we have to fix this in the middle. We have to rotate it. Then we can put this light over here. It's a table light now. See how it looks now. See it. It looks like this. And it can even charge, I think. So they have given one more like this. They have given a sticker back. If you stick it to the wall like this, it can, like, if you stick it like this, if this one is on the wall stick, then we can put this like this and we will use it. This is called wall mounted light. If we stick it like this, it's a magnet. And there's nothing chargeable here. It's a sensor light, and if you stick like this, I told you what it is. So this is a wall mounted light, and if you stick it here, it's a table light. And there's one more, and that's how it looks. It looks like a clip, no? Here it's extra clip. Extra magnet, because if we stick it to any of I choose this, don't choose this, so I choose this one like this. I'll keep it like this. Oh, this doesn't work. I'll choose this table, okay? Like this, I'll keep it. Then I can keep this light as this. And this is called like same clip-on table light. So we can even on it, off it. There's another way. You can put this like this. If there's something mechanical, this one in the kitchen, then we can put this in the kitchen metal, and we can put this down like here. If we have any mechanical problem anyway, then we can put it down like this and one work. So we can use it everywhere except like in the gardens, grass and all. Except it. This can also be used as a torch at night if any snakes or any you are going out for a walk. We can switch on this and go like this. See how it looks, and we can use this as a torch. We can keep this in our pockets also. That's that much easy, and it's not that much thick. It's just our 3-finger thick. That's it, and front 2 finger. Oh, that's all for the day. So that's all for the day. Thank you. Have a nice day. But I will enjoy this light. Bye. This is order from Flipkart. Oh no! I forgot to see the chocolates. Let's open the chocolates and see. Wow, see the design. Wow, see this. In each of them there are some flavors. One is orange, one is vanilla, coconut Oreo, French cracker, mango chili, almond olive, and they're all in. I don't know if my mom. I have some cough, so if I eat anyone, she'll kill me. So I'll eat it afterwards. Not now when my mother is gone outside. Okay. Bye, friends. You can order this in Flipkart if it is available. Okay, bye, friends. Let's see you. Oh, this tray is also flexible. Wow, that looks alive.